Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another video here on Rebel Trading, where I will show you trading strategies that will help you on your journey to becoming a profitable trader. So in today's video, I have a strategy posted on the 1 hour time frame. It also involves a few very basic indicators. As always, everything shown in this video will be completely for free. Also, if you stick around to the very end of the video, I'll show you how to set up trading alerts so that you don't have to stare at your screen all day. Strategy is good for crypto, Forex, and stocks, but I'll be showing this strategy on the Euro US dollar pair. All right, so for indicators, we can go up here. We're going to find the smooth moving average, and we're going to click on it twice. After that, we're going to type in the MACD, and that will be our last indicator for this strategy. So once we have our indicators loaded up, we're going to go to settings on the very first SMA, go over to inputs. We're going to change the length to 50. And for style, I usually change the color to something like white so it's more visible. On the second one, we're going to go to inputs and change the length to 100. Feel free to change the colors to your liking. So that's as basic as it gets. This is pretty much how your chart should look afterwards. Also, at this point in the video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you guys would smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel. I'm nearing my way to 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and as soon as I hit that goal, I'll be releasing my free Telegram trading channel where I show you most of the trades that I make to help me become profitable. All right, so for the strategy, the first thing that we're going to be identifying is how the trend is looking. So if we see that the white line has crossed over the golden line and continuing, we can see that we're in an uptrend. At this point, we'll be looking for long positions. The next thing we're going to be looking for is for the price action to cross over the white line and for the bar to close. But the price action cannot come below the golden line. After that, we're going to wait down here for the MACD to cross over. So for a long position, the blue line should be above the golden line. We can also see that we have money flow going in so that we can also see an increase in volume. So at this point, we can take our first long position right here. For this strategy, I set the stop loss a few points down below the most recent swing low. So for the take profit, there are a couple of different options that you can do. What I would typically recommend is for just a simple risk reward ratio. If you intend to hold onto the position for a little bit longer period of time, you can always move the stop loss up and you can wait for the two EMAs to cross over. It might be some time before this happens, but if you chose to do it, potential profit that you could make would be much higher. So for our second long position, we can see the price action has crossed into the 50 line. After that, we're going to wait for the MACD lines to cross over. After that, we can take our next long position. And we're going to set the stop loss a few points down below the most recent swing low. And with the 2.0 risk reward ratio, we have another excellent trade. All right, now for the short positions. What we're going to be looking for is for the golden line to be on top and for the white line to be on the bottom. And we're going to wait to see the price action cross above the white line, but never on top of the golden one. After we can see the lines crossing on the MACD, we can see that we have a valid short entry. So we'll take our position right here. We set the stop loss a few points above the most recent swing high. And with a 2 risk reward ratio, we have our first short position. Something that I would watch out for is if you see doji candles with really long wicks. That's something that might potentially invalidate the trade. Also, if you see long-term consolidation over, several days at a time, I'd recommend looking at maybe a different asset to trade or just staying away from trades altogether. As you can see, some of these assets trend for quite a long time. This is a really good example. A perfect example of this would be, I would say, any pair that trades against the Japanese yen on the Forex. So there can be times when leaving the trade open is ideal, since you would be leaving a lot of profit on the table. But as always, be sure to practice proper risk management. Be sure to move your stop loss along with the trade so that you can prevent any unnecessary losses. All right, so for setting up alerts with the strategy, what we're going to do is we're going to identify the 50 SMA. We're going to click on Add Alert. We're going to click on Once Per VAR Close. Make sure it says crossing, and we're going to go down here and we're going to click on the SMA. And that's it. You should get alerts sent to you on whatever device you use for trading. I typically use my mobile phone because I normally have it with me. But that's it for today's strategy. Be sure to like it if you found value out of today's video, and please be sure to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your guys' feedback very much. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.